What happened here?
Suicide.
How'd he do it?
Well, took this gun and he...
Holy what?
What's up everyone, this is Nom. Well, Samsung has accidentally leaked its next flagship smartphone on its official website, days before its expected launch. Images of the Galaxy S20 appear to confirm several previously rumored features, including a hole-punch selfie camera and an updated rear camera arrangement. The marketing materials were quickly removed from the Samsung website, but not before German tech site WinFuture took some screenshots. They showed the device within a case fitted with LEDs in a similar arrangement to one of the official cases for the Galaxy S10. Similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S20 also features a substantial bump for the housing unit of the rear camera lenses. The Galaxy S20 is expected to be officially unveiled at Samsung's Unpacked event on February 11, so we wait for it. Hope you guys enjoy this. See you tomorrow with next story. Peace out.